I bought and tested these aftermarket stereos for my Jeep Wrangler JK so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. I've gone through the grind of installation and usage, and I'm here to share the real deal on what works and what doesn't. Let's dive in.
Product number 1. Ruicar 10.2-inch car radio stereo. When I first installed the Ruicar 10.2-inch car radio stereo in my Jeep Wrangler JK, I was immediately impressed by the size of the screen. At 10.2 inches, it's a significant upgrade from the stock stereo, making navigation and media control a breeze. The Android 13 system runs smoothly, and I found myself downloading various apps from the Google Play Store right away. The touch response is phenomenal. It feels like using a tablet rather than a car stereo. The wireless CarPlay and Android Auto features made it easy to connect my phone. I simply had to turn on Bluetooth, and there it was, my music and navigation apps ready to go. One evening, I took a drive with friends, and we used the GPS navigation to explore some back roads. The GPS worked flawlessly, and the visuals on the screen were crystal clear. I also appreciate the Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, which allows for quick pairing and stable connections. Making hands-free calls while driving felt safe and seamless thanks to the clear audio from the built-in microphone. The FM radio is a nice touch too, allowing me to catch up on news and music while on the road. However, I did notice that the installation instructions could be clearer. It took a little time to figure everything out, but nothing that a few YouTube videos couldn't solve. One of the standout features for me was the included HD backup camera. I've had other stereos in the past that didn't integrate as well with a backup camera, but this one displayed the image perfectly whenever I shifted into reverse. The pros of this stereo are the large touchscreen, seamless smartphone integration, and excellent navigation capabilities. On the flip side, the installation process could be more straightforward, and there's a slight learning curve if you're not tech-savvy. If you want a feature-rich, modern stereo that truly enhances your Jeep experience, the Ruicar is a great choice. It blends technology and functionality, making it easier to enjoy long drives with friends or solo adventures. Overall, I'd say this stereo is worth every penny. If you're looking to upgrade your Jeep's audio system and want something that feels modern and responsive, you won't regret this purchase.
Product number 2. Ana Vigo Car Radio Stereo Upgrade is the Ana Vigo Car Radio Stereo Upgrade, which also boasts a 10.2-inch display. I was immediately drawn to its sleek design, which fits nicely into the dashboard of my Jeep Wrangler JK. After getting it installed, I was blown away by the clarity of the screen. It's not just big, it's vibrant and easy to read, even in bright sunlight. The Android 13 operating system is a breath of fresh air. I was able to download my favorite apps, and the dual connectivity features of wired and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto were a game changer. I had a friend with an older model Jeep who was envious when he saw me using voice commands to control the stereo. The sound quality is fantastic too. The built-in DSP, or digital signal processor, allows for audio tuning that can cater to your preferences, whether you're into bass-heavy tracks or more balanced sounds. I found myself experimenting with the EQ settings to find that perfect sound profile for my music taste. Another aspect I loved was the advanced GPS navigation with the built-in maps. One time, I took a spontaneous road trip, and the GPS guided me through some beautiful scenic routes effortlessly. However, I did find the setup a bit tricky. The manual could have been more detailed, and I spent a bit more time than I would have liked figuring out the wiring. On the pro side, the large touchscreen and sound quality are definitely highlights, along with the robust navigation features. The cons would be the somewhat confusing installation instructions. If you're looking to bridge the gap between modern technology and your classic Jeep, this stereo is an excellent choice. It offers functionality, style, and an overall impressive driving experience.
Product number 3. Ausave 2GB 64GB car stereo. The Ausave 2GB 64GB car stereo is another solid option I couldn't ignore. Despite having a smaller 7-inch screen compared to the other units, it packs a punch in performance. The first thing that struck me was how intuitive the interface was. It felt like using a larger tablet, and the touch response was quick. The wireless CarPlay and Android Auto functionality worked flawlessly, allowing me to access my favorite apps for music and navigation without a hitch. I took it on a weekend camping trip, and I was able to easily switch between music playback and GPS navigation. The GPS feature is also impressive. I was able to download offline maps, which saved my day when I lost signal in the woods. The Bluetooth connection was stable, and I appreciated the quick pairing with my phone. However, I did wish the screen was larger for better visibility, especially when navigating. The stereo also supports FM radio, which was great for listening to local stations on the way to my destination. A unique feature I found was the retained SWC, or steering wheel control, function, which made it easy to control the stereo without taking my hands off the wheel. The sound quality was decent, but I felt it could have benefited from a built-in DSP for further audio customization. The major pros of this unit are its intuitive interface, reliable Bluetooth connectivity, and offline GPS navigation. The cons are primarily the smaller screen size and the lack of advanced audio tuning. If you're someone who values ease of use and reliable features over a massive screen, the AweSafe stereo is a fantastic choice that won't break the bank.
Product number 4, AweSafe Android Car Stereo. I also had the chance to try out the AweSafe Android Car Stereo, which shares many features with its sibling stereo, but offers a few unique aspects. The 7-inch touchscreen is bright and responsive, and I found it quite user-friendly. I was particularly impressed with its wireless CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities. It made connecting my phone a breeze, and I enjoyed the convenience of accessing messages and music hands-free. One day, while driving to a friend's house, I used the navigation feature and it worked perfectly, even providing real-time traffic updates. The backup camera integration was another highlight. It displayed the camera feed clearly, which made parking in tight spots a lot easier. The Bluetooth functionality allowed for hands-free calling, which is a must for safety-conscious drivers like me. I found the sound quality to be satisfactory, especially for the price point. However, I did notice that it lacked certain audio customization features, like a built-in DSP. It also supports FM radio, which I use to catch up on local news. A downside I encountered was that some apps took longer to load than I expected, which could be frustrating during a quick drive. Overall, the pros of this stereo include its user-friendly interface, effective navigation, and good connectivity options. The cons are the slower app loading times and the absence of advanced audio features. If you're looking for a straightforward, reliable upgrade for your Jeep's audio system, the AweSafe Android Car Stereo is a solid choice that delivers on essentials without overwhelming you with unnecessary features.
Product number 5, THWA-HH 11th Car System. I tested the THWA-HH 11th Car System, which is truly remarkable. This stereo is packed with advanced features that set it apart from the rest. The first thing you notice is the stunning 10.2-inch display that's sharp and responsive. It runs on a next-gen Android 13 system, which means it's future-proofed for app updates and new features. I was able to customize the UI to my liking, choosing from a selection of themes to match my Jeep's interior. The dual connectivity options allow both wired and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, making it versatile for any user. I took it for a spin during a weekend road trip, and the GPS navigation was spot on, guiding me effortlessly even through remote areas. The 5G Wi-Fi capability was a game changer. I was able to stream music and download apps on the fly without any lag. The sound quality was impressive, with a built-in DSP that allowed for fine-tuning of the audio output. One of my favorite features was the split screen function, which let me view navigation on one side while controlling music on the other. However, the installation process was a bit involved, requiring some technical know-how. The pros of this stereo are its cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and superior sound quality, while the cons are the complexity of installation. If you want a top-of-the-line stereo that offers everything from stunning visuals to advanced functionality, the THWA HH 11th car system is definitely worth considering. It revolutionizes the way you experience audio and navigation in your Jeep.
In conclusion, upgrading your Jeep Wrangler JK stereo system can transform your driving experience. Whether you're looking for advanced features, sound quality, or simply a larger screen, there's a product on this list for you. Don't hesitate to invest in your ride. You deserve it.